Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a very easy and stylish bun which you can do in minutes at home without using any hairspray or mousse. You will only require a few hairpins and U-pins. So please watch the video till the end and please share, subscribe and like my channel so that I can show you how dressing up can be easy and fun and it can be achieved at home without going to the parlor. Firstly, I've combed my hair and middle parted it. Then I've taken a small section and rolled it inwardly and fixed it with a hairpin. Similarly, I've taken another section from the other side of the parting and rolling it inwardly and fixing it again with a pin. I will be taking section after section from both sides and repeating the same process till the entire front area has been covered. I leave two thin hair sections from both sides before rolling up the entire front area. Now this is how the back of the head is looking. If you don't want the pins to be seen later on, you can put flowers or some accessories to hide them. I am pulling out a little bit of the hair in the front so that the front looks fluffy and puffed up. Now I'm taking the entire section of the hair behind and I'm twirling it and I'm rolling it round and round like a bun. Just see, I'll show you a look from the back as well. Now after making the bun with my hand, I am using a rubber band and putting it around to fix the bun. My bun is ready. Now accessories. I had a little bit of the lace from the dress I'll be wearing. I am using that to put it around the bun and also cover a part of the clips which is being seen, as I don't intend putting natural flowers tonight. I have taken some artificial roses which has pin in them and I am just putting it over my right ear. See how I am fixing them one by one, and I will lock them with a pin at the back. Now my hairstyle is done. How does it look, guys? Isn't it very easy, quick and very beautiful to look? Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.